Introduction. In the past few years, the Moto G series has set a standard in affordable phones that few can match. This year, Lenovo has two G series phones, the Moto G5 and the Moto G5 Plus. The G5 Plus is the one that has gotten all the attention so far. It has got the powerful and very battery-savvy Snapdragon 625 system chip, it has got a fast dual-pixel autofocus camera, and it has a starting price of just $230. And then there is the Moto G5 that we have up here for review. It has a much different finish than the G5 Plus, and this is important to know. It has a smaller 5 display, it has the severely less powerful Snapdragon 430, a completely different camera and half the onboard storage. And it is also not available in the United States, and this one is an even more important distinction. Why? Simple, price of the Moto G5 Plus might be set at $230 in the USA, but in Europe and the rest of the world it rocks a much higher, $280 to $300 price, equivalent to no less than $305. This higher price opens the space for the Moto G5, a $230 phone that would make no sense in the United States. Are all the compromises made to get to that lower price worth it, though? We take a deeper dive in the Moto G5 experience to see what living with a dirt cheap phone is all about. Stick with us for some interesting conclusions. The Moto G5 features a 5-inch LCD screen with a 1080 by 1920 pixel, Full HD resolution. Save for the oversized bezels that give the phone a dated look, the screen is actually quite nice. The resolution is sufficient to have everything looking sharp and crispy. The colors are also surprisingly nicely balanced. You have a standard color mode that displays realistic color as Moto itself puts it, and you have a vibrant mode that shows enhanced color and saturation. Try both to see which one you like better, but keep in mind that the difference between the two is not as huge as on say Samsung phones. We also ran our complex tests on the displays that show fairly good color balance for such an affordable phone. It's just a bit on the blue side, but nothing particularly bad, and the screen can get very bright, which contributes to better outdoor viewing experience. Check out the full display benchmarks below.